Now let us do with the valves of the heart. You know there are four valves: mitral valve, tricuspid valve, aortic valve and pulmonary valve or orifices. When they close, they produce some sound. But the sound is not located at the site of the orifice. It is slightly away along the direction of its blood flow. The sound can be heard by a stethoscope. Now I will be talking about each valve. First, where the valve is located and where the sound of that valve when it closes is heard. To start with, let us go with mitral valve. Mitral valve is located behind the left half of the sternum along the fourth costal cartilage. This is the fourth costal cartilage. Along it, in the left half of the sternum, under cover of the left half of the sternum, an oblique line we can draw for about 3 centimeters. This is about 3 centimeters along the left half of the sternum across the fourth costal cartilage is the location of the mitral valve. But its sound, its auscultatory sound is heard in the apex beat, which already you know, which is in the left fifth intercostal space, 9 centimeters to the left from the median plane, slightly medial to the mid-clavicular line is the location of the apex beat. So this is a mitral valve position. This is the auscultatory area of the mitral valve. Under stethoscope, to hear the sounds of that valve, we have to put your stethoscope here. Is it clear? This is mitral. Coming to the second one, that is the tricuspid valve or the tricuspid orifice. It is located on the right undersurface of the right half of the sternum, which can be drawn as a 4 centimeter line at the fourth and fifth, this is second, third, fourth and fifth intercostal space, adjoining the fourth and fifth intercostal space. Along the right half of the sternum, you draw a 4 centimeter line. That 4 centimeter line indicates the position of the tricuspid orifice, but that auscultatory area of the tricuspid orifice is along the lower margin of the sternum. So this is the auscultatory area of the tricuspid orifice. This is the position of the tricuspid orifice. This is the position of the mitral orifice. This is the auscultatory area of the mitral orifice. Coming to the aortic orifice is drawn as a slightly oblique line of 1 centimeter at the along the left half of the sternum at the level of the left third costal cartilage, coinciding with the left third costal cartilage, slightly oblique 1 centimeter line. This represents the aortic orifice, and the aortic auscultatory area is felt in the right second intercostal space close to the sternal margin. This is the aortic area location, which is along the left half of the sternum, coinciding with the left third costal cartilage, the left third intercostal space, and its sound is heard in the right second intercostal space close to the sternum. And the last one is the pulmonary orifice, orifice is located along the left half of the sternum, coinciding with the second costal cartilage. It can be represented as a horizontal line coinciding with the left second costal cartilage along the left half of the sternum, and its sound is heard in the left second intercostal space close to the sternal margin. Is it clear? This is all about the valves of the heart and its auscultatory sounds where it is heard. Thank you.